The gut ecosystem, it's a collection of all the microorganisms, things like bacteria, fungi, there's even viruses that live in your gut. Now, there's a variety of disorders that are associated with the microbiome, things like irritable bowel syndrome that we talked about, chronic fatigue, depression, anxiety, fibromyalgia, and even autism. We have about 3 pounds of bacteria that live in our gut. We also have bacteria on our skin, in our nose, our vagina, uterus, bladder, even our ears. Now, it's been known that the amniotic sac was once thought to be sterile, but now we know it actually has microorganisms. We have about 100 trillion microbes in our gut, which is 10 times the amount of human cells that we have. But what's even more interesting is that these microbes contain a cumulative genome that codes for nearly 20 million genes. Now, I want to put that into perspective. So the human genome only contains 20,000 genes. This means that we have 100 to 1,000 times the microbial genes compared to our human genes. 99% of the genes that we have are from bacteria. 1% are human genes. Now, 1%, that's insane. And these microbial genes code for proteins that affect our physiology, our mood, our gut motility, and our immune system. This means that 99% of our genes can be changed. Anything that can shift the microbiome will also shift your genes. Your microbiome originally formed from your mother. The placenta and the amniotic fluid contained microorganisms that were passed on to you. Now, research has even shown that babies that were exposed to stress in utero, meaning that mom was really stressed when she was pregnant, they have decreased amounts of bifidobacterium compared to babies with moms that had less stress. So bifidobacterium is a good bacteria in our gut that helps us digest fibers. It also produces B vitamins and vitamin K. In addition to whether your mom was stressed when she was pregnant, her exposure to animals during pregnancy also likely contributed to your microbiome today. So pregnant women who are exposed to multiple species of animals, I think the study said 5 or more, when they were exposed to multiple species of animals during pregnancy, they were less likely to have kids with asthma and eczema. This just shows how important it is to get exposed to different things like animals and dirt. Our immune systems rely on exposure to build an immune tolerance to them. We're designed to play in the dirt, and we're designed to be around animals. These exposures actually help teach our immune system so it doesn't freak out when it's inevitably exposed to them.